Hello everyone, welcome to What's Your Hobby. Today in this tutorial we'll start making flowers out of crepe paper and I'll show you how to make two types of crepe paper flower in this session. Now these are the materials that you'll need for this session. Keep your glue, scissors, floral tapes, wires and colorful sheets of crepe paper handy. So now let's get started with the flowers. First I have for you which I think is the simplest flower that can be made from crepe papers. Cut a strip of crepe paper and a smaller piece of paper like this, and this second strip of paper will be used to make the flower bud. Apply some glue at the end of the paper strip and take a thin wire strip and wrap the paper around the strip. This will give us the stem for the flower. Now let's keep the flower bud aside and we'll start making the flower. Stretch the crepe paper strip. And now, using your scissors, start cutting the fringes. Apply glue along the length of the uncut part of the paper strip. Now wrap the crepe paper strip around the flower bud. I'm going to use a light green colored floral tape to make the stem. This pretty flower is almost ready. Now just use your fingertip to gently spread out the fringes. We are going to now use a similar technique to make beautiful lavender flowers. Here you have to use a slightly wider strip of crepe paper. Fold your crepe paper as shown and then stretch it and start cutting fringes. You have to apply glue along the length so that we can wrap it around the stem. I'm going to use brown floral tape to make the stem for the flower. It will take only less than a minute for you to make one of these. And now go ahead and make a whole bunch of these flowers. And there you have the perfect bouquet or a centerpiece for your coffee table. Hope you all love this episode. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.